Looking to enhance your glute strength and achieve a firmer, more defined backside? Incorporating targeted exercises into your fitness routine can make a significant difference.
Hi, I'm Ryan, and today I'll guide you through 4 effective exercises to help you build stronger glutes. Let's get started.
First up is the Glute Bridge. This exercise isolates and strengthens your glute muscles, hamstrings, and core while improving hip stability.
Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for a moment, then slowly lower back down. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions.
Next, we have jumping squats. This plyometric exercise targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, enhancing both strength and explosiveness.
Start in a squat position with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Explosively jump upward, extending your arms overhead. Land softly back into the squat position. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions.
The walking lunge. It's excellent for building glute and leg strength while also improving balance and coordination.
Stand upright with feet together. Step forward with your right foot and lower into a lunge until both knees are at 90-degree angles. Push through your right heel to stand and bring your left foot forward into the next lunge. Continue alternating legs for a total of 20 steps.
Lastly, donkey kicks effectively target the gluteus maximus, helping to tone and strengthen your buttocks.
Begin on all fours with wrists under shoulders and knees under hips, keeping your right knee bent at 90 degrees. Lift your leg until your thigh is in line with your body, sole of the foot facing the ceiling. Squeeze the glute at the top, then return to the starting position. Complete 12 to 15 reps per leg. Incorporate these exercises into your routine at least twice a week, gradually increasing sets and repetitions as you build strength. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals.
For optimal results, combine these workouts with a balanced diet and proper rest. Always consult with a fitness professional to ensure exercises are performed safely and effectively. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and routines.